Alright, listen.
Too short to get it all.